All right, so this is what I found here. Here's the orifice tube. Now, a compressor was replaced on this before, and so these guys don't do AC who filled this up, and they couldn't figure out why it wasn't cooling. And it was because an orifice tube was missing, because they replaced this. It doesn't have an orifice tube. They didn't know you need a new one. They didn't know that you grab one out of the old unit and you slip it back in the new one. And if they did, they never even checked. They replaced this without checking the old one, and it has this kind of debris buildup. So I'm really hoping that's the original condenser in there. The condenser in the front part.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, so why I could be getting a little drop of temperature across the condenser when it should be coming out warm, other than it's cold and it's too hard to tell right now, is that this little bit of piston ring material that you see here, there's the long one, that one right there. There's a lot longer. This is the Teflon type piston ring material, and these come out in long slivers, and sometimes on the tube and fin, when it has to go around the bend, they get stuck in the bend, and they make a restriction, giving you another orifice tube in your condenser, causing a restriction. And when you feel, it'll be warm going in, and it'll be nice and cold coming out of the condenser because of piston ring material. And we're going to hope that is not the situation here, but let's pull out the refrigerant and find out.